This tree is unknown. I got this when it is what is still small in San Luis, Puguloño on March 19, 2021. Now I place it in a pot, but the pot can no longer support it. That's why I finally decided it to be planted on ground here. It is my son's 7th birthday, and I want this tree to be planted by him to mark his 7th birthday today, July 17, 2022. May, come on, place it here. We'll remove first the pot. Okay, and then put yours bendicionam nan in mulan kairos. It shall be called Cameron tree because this tree has no name. He is placing some tree guards